Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a advanced PDF editor I developed, something like Canva. It can be used to edit PDF documents or annotate them directly in the browser itself. So I basically have a live demo available on my website freemediatools.com. You can check out the demo. This is actually the application. It is entirely built in the browser using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and here you will load your PDF file, whichever PDF file that you want to edit, and automatically we have all these options available to us. We can either click edit text, so this will automatically, you will be able to edit the text here. Simply click and this will change this to editable, and now you can actually add some text right here. You can change the color here accordingly. You can see that. You just need to click on the element right here. Just click on the element and you can see. And then we also have option to actually add a text. So just click this button, and wherever you need to add this, simply, and you can basically increase the font size as well, like this. Place the text accordingly. Just use your mouse cursor to place the text wherever, in whichever location. Here you can change the font size as well. You can see that. You can change the color as well. This is the first page, this is the second page. So you can easily edit your PDF documents adding text. Then we have the capability to add images as well. So click on the add image button and this window will open, and here you need to simply select the location where you need to add the image. Simply click and that image will be added right here. You see that you can control the size of this image by using these controls very easily. Then we have actually annotation draw box. If you click this, you will be able to actually select any particular element, and you can highlight this so very easily. Just select it by using your mouse, so you can see how easy it is. Then we also have our pen tool. If you want to highlight something, annotate something, you will use this pen tool to highlight something. If you see that, you can see this is the pen tool. And after you have modified all the PDF, we have this button of save PDF. So if you simply click on this button, you will see it is processing it, and now your PDF file has been downloaded with the changes that you have done. So you will see that all the modified changes, the images, the text, the highlighting, the annotation done is entirely saved in a PDF document, and you can see that. So it is entirely run in the browser, guys. The link is given in the description. If you need the full source code of this project, you will actually get a zip file after you purchase the full source code. The link is given in the description. Let me show you. So this is actually the zip file you will get. You need to extract it, and then it will contain this CSS code, HTML code and JavaScript code. So this is your index.html file. You can directly run this locally using a VS Code extension. You can also directly open this file locally. So just right click and open with Chrome here. So it will open your file locally. You can see that. So it entirely runs in the browser. It doesn't need any server for its functioning. It's very easy to deploy as well. So if you are using a shared hosting, you can easily deploy this application very easily. So you can see that you can change the font size, so wherever can also change. It's very fast as well. So you can see how fast this application is. You can draw the box. Very easy, very fast application to highlight. And then we have the save PDF button. So we have all these controls available. Click on this button, so it will process all the changes, and then it will download this modified PDF file right here. So this is the source code, guys, the HTML code. And then we are using some third-party open source packages right here. First of all, Mozilla PDF.js, Fabric.js, which is a JavaScript animation library, and jsPDF. So let me one by one show you the libraries that we have used here. Mozilla PDF.js, which is a PDF renderer library for rendering PDF files directly in the browser. So it's an open source library. You can see we are using this one, and then we are using Fabric.js, which is a JavaScript animation library for animating the canvas. So we are using this library as well, and apart from that we are also using jsPDF library as well, so which is again a library for generating PDF files directly in the browser. So we are using these three open source libraries in JavaScript to build this awesome looking Canva PDF editor and annotator, which directly runs in the browser. It's a static app. You can directly purchase it, guys. The link is given in the description. Once you purchase it, you will get the full source code, a zip file from Google Drive automatically, and inside your JavaScript file here you will see these are the files here. So once you get the source code, if you are a developer, you can also modify the source code to add additional features. You will get full commercial right to actually use this application commercially as well. If you want to deploy this and earn some revenue, advertisement revenue, because you can place advertisements right here. I am also placing advertisements here. So before purchasing it, you can try this. I have also deployed this on my website. So on the checkout page, you will find this link. So just try this before purchasing it. If you like it, then you can purchase it. The link is given in the description. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.